Welcome to Java training course. My name is Inayat Ali. In this lecture, we'll learn Java encapsulation, how we can achieve the encapsulation. So first of all, describing what is encapsulation. It's defined as the wrapping up of data under a single unit, or you can say the mechanism that binds together code and data. Or there is another way of defining the protective shield that prevents data from being accessed by the code outside of this shield or this class. Data in class is hidden from other classes, so it is called the data hiding, which is implemented by the encapsulation, where we make field variables as a private and we create a get setter for these fields. Encapsulation can be achieved by using the as a defined variable, making as a private and writing public method for the variable, just like getters and setters. So first of all, we are just going to create a class in which we will class name encapsulation. Here we are writing the variables here we are creating the getter setter for these methods here. Okay, so this, as we have already learned in the previous sections in the X modifier, we have briefly described you about the private access modifier, which is only accessible within the class. It cannot be accessed outside this class, so if we have to use the name and age fields outside class, how it can use and in which scenario we can use. There is a possibility by getting and setting values. So we are just writing another class which implements this as a main method. This main method is going to encapsulate this class, and we are just writing the creating the object of this class. So first of all, we are checking here that either this is going to get the, so this is here we have methods get age and set age, but we are not getting directly the variable name, which is age. So we have to either first we have to set the values. It will be let's suppose 27, and another variable we have is set name, in which we are writing Emma. So here we can, after setting visually, we can just writing the system we are getting the get name plus get age. So here is a simple definition in method execution. It will show Ahmed has, let's suppose, 27-year age, but this is simple. But if you want to make more conditions, that let's suppose if we are writing a condition this dot age is greater than 30, then it will write the value in this condition. Let's suppose going here, you see there this can in this scenario 27 is not set in the age variable here because this condition is not matching here. So that's why we can also hide the data by making setters variable methods more strictly by using any scenarios just like this. Okay, moving forward, we have so in this type of scenarios are used where we mostly connecting databases with creating the bean structure and modifying and using between DAO service layer and helper layers by using the object in the Hibernate in other scenarios in other systems. So by the encapsulation we have 1, 2 or 3 main benefits. One of them is the data hiding, which we have already worked here. Another is the increased flexibility of code. We can restrict user, let's suppose, to don't set name, only get the name. So we have just remove this here and name will be, it is, let's suppose Tanveer. So when we call this, it will only get the name, but you cannot write the name of this because it is already which we have already limited these conditions, which we are just providing the flexibility and restricting our user. Either we are going to giving permissions of the read only or write only facilities. With this help we can reuse our code and easy to incorporate new changes in the encapsulation processes. So moving forward, in the next lecture we'll learn the Java polymorphism. That's a major topic in Java. It has two types: runtime polymorphism, compile time polymorphism, which we will discuss in detail. If you have any question and suggestions, please comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share videos with your friends. Thanks and have a